Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. After a $4.50 decline last week, a liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will increase by $1.30 and 25 cents respectively. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will see a total reverse of last week's decline, with the categories going up by $4.50 per liter. Kerosene will also go up by $4.50, while propane will lose 7 cents. However, butane will gain 88 cents. Oil prices rose about 1.5% today after hitting a 6-month low. This as a steeper than expected drawdown in U.S. crude stocks outweighed concerns over rising Russian outputs and exports. Brent crude settled $1.31 higher at $93.65 per barrel. U.S. West Texas Intermediate crude rose $1.58 and to $88.11 per barrel. Sagicor Investments has completed the purchase of the securities dealer book of business of Alliance Investment Management. Sagicor says it has completed all due diligence and regulatory requirements. The group announced its plan to purchase the client portfolio of Alliance Investment Management in April of this year. This was after the purchase of 100% of the shares in Alliance Financial Services, which was also a member of the Alliance Group. Both companies came under scrutiny after their principals were engaged in activities in breach of the Banking Services Act, the Bank of Jamaica Act, and the Financial Services Act. President and CEO of Sagicor Group Jamaica, Christopher Zaka, says the acquisitions will help widen the company's client base. The Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, JMEA, said it is undertaking a joint venture with Victoria Pensions Management to offer retirement plans for members. The JMEA boss, John Mafood, said the contributions could start at anywhere between 1 to 5% of the employee's monthly wage. Mr. Mafood said the organization is hoping to get at least 40,000 members signed up to the individual pension program. He made the disclosure while addressing the Montego Bay Chamber of Commerce Expo launch.
About 70 to 80,000 employees, many of whom are not covered by pension plans. This means that these employees will not be able to retire and live comfortably after they stop working. That is a very unfortunate situation in Jamaica. It's one thing to pay staff just an amount that can allow them to survive, but we need to find a way of ensuring that at least in retirement they can live comfortably.
To the stock market now, the JSE index lost 847 points today, while the junior market index declined by 27 points. Leading advances include Epley Carbon Property Fund SCC, Mayberry Investments, JMMB Group 7.25% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, Main Event Entertainment Group, and Carbon Assurance Brokers. Decliners include Margaritaville Turks US dollar shares, Trans-Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, MPC Carbon Clean Energy, SSL Venture Capital Jamaica, and First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares. The US dollar is being sold for an average $152.09. $117.70 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, and $184.67 for the pound. It's costing an average $155.50 for the euro. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.